Hello everyone, welcome to Shitij Career. This is General Agriculture Quiz Part 3. In this quiz, we have taken question from Agriculture MPSC Mains Examination, the exam which is conducted for the post of Agriculture Officer in Maharashtra State. And this quiz will be helpful for IBPS IF examination as well as Agri Officer of different state and other agriculture exam in India. So this presentation is prepared by me. My name is Ashish Lat. This information is about me. A seed drill performs the function as to carry the seed to open furrow to an uniform depth, to meter the seed, all of the above. So the seed drill basically performs all these three functions. So the answer will be all of the above. Rank the following animal in ascending order of their drop load capacity of percent body weight. The animals are bullock, camel, buffalo and donkey. So the correct rank of the following animal in ascending order of their drop load is A, C, B, D. That is bullock first, then buffalo, then camel and then donkey. It is the power generated in the engine cylinder and received by the piston. Options are BHP, IHP, DBHP, belt power, and the correct answer is IHP. It is a machine to apply chemical in dust form is known as flame gun, fumigator, duster or none of the above. And the answer is duster. For mounted implement, the stress induced in the top link of a 3-point hitch is dash and draft increases this force dash. So the correct answer is compressive and increases. That is, for mounted implement, the stress induced in the top link of a 3-point hitch is compressive, and as a drop increases, this force also increases. The basic component of sprayer is nozzle body, spray lance, swirl plate, all of the above. So basically all these three are the component of a sprayer. So answer will be all of the above. If a farmer want to eradicate weed by spraying weedicide, then he should use dash type of nozzle: flat fan, solid cone, hollow cone, flooding. So the answer is flat fan. That is, if a farmer wants to eradicate weed by spraying weedicide, then he should use flat fan type of nozzle. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.